first of all, Carbon Critical is partnering with ExPost on this technology, and we'll talk a little bit about that later. What I wanted to start with is how, obviously, these batteries are a major concern because of the sheer amount of them. Now, the statistics are that it's estimated that over 11 million metric tons of lithium-ion batteries will be thrown away by the year 2030. And these batteries are causing more explosions and more fires every year. Okay, so since we're using them more, a recent report in 2023 showed that there were over 50 reported fires at waste and recycling facilities across the US alone. It's clear that as these batteries are reaching the end of their life and we're seeing more and more of them, we're facing some serious challenges in how to handle them safely. So I want to go into more depth about what's happening. Weikang, let's start with you. First, why are these fires happening more frequently in recycling centers?
Sure. Of course, we have more batteries in waste stream. And if you really consider the mechanism behind why lithium-ion battery can catch fire, it is because you may consider lithium-ion batteries are energy conveyor. So it has energy inside. So once you contact the positive side with negative side, of course, we call it short. And once it's short, a lot of electrons will flow, and it will heat up the whole thing. And worst case is that inside the lithium-ion batteries, we already have an oxidizer, we already have reducer. So once it touch with each other, it causes more oxidative reductive reaction. It's a chemical reaction that will release a lot of heat. And besides that, we also have flammable organic components inside the batteries, which we call it electrolyte. And these flammable electrolyte can easily be ignited and then cause more fire. So overall, it's more like a chain reaction that leads to a bigger fire when the lithium batteries start to catch fire. So that's the mechanism behind.
And this happens also when when they're dead, they're discharged. These fires can still happen.
Yes, even it's discharged. If we will not talk about a fully discharged batteries, it can still catch fire. The answer is unfortunately yes.